moving beyond hurt. Many a times we get hurt inside, and there are certain steps that you need to take when you want to heal yourself. The first thing is that you must feel the need to heal. I mean, recently, I had seen, I am in my road se ja rahi thi, I saw one worker, people were just telling her, mat uthao, kitna karogi tum? So she was just sitting. I took a glass of water. I said, Amma, what happened? So she said that, ma'am, she lost her child. And तब से ना ये बहुत पत्थर उठा रही है, उठा उठा के अपने आप को इतना थका रही है, हमें डर है कहीं इसको कुछ हो ना जाए. So that lady, she just said, my heart is hurt, but I can't feel any pain in my body. तो जब अंदरूनी जो चोट लगती है ना किसी को भी, it's very painful, there is no doubt, but you have to learn to heal. कुछ चीज़ें हमेशा आपके हाथ में नहीं होती. So you need to, what are the steps you can take? First is that you need to accept the pain. Say to yourself, it's hurting. Speak about your loss. It's gone. If you've lost a child, it's he or she is gone physically, but they'll always remain with me. Then stop feeding the pain. Like, in case if you've had a breakup, then you stop stalking. Don't relay old memories. If you've lost a dear one, don't overthink the past. Breakup हुआ है तो don't keep checking the WhatsApp. If you've lost someone, don't keep scrolling and seeing the photos of the past, etc. Just keep telling yourself that this pain is temporary, this is a phase, it will pass. And try to make that person a living legend if you've lost someone. Change your self-talk. It's very, very important. You cannot use that, I am broken, I am dead, my life is waste. आप ऐसी negative बातें मत करिए. You just keep saying that, I will jump back, I am healing. If you've lost someone, you say, I am going to make you a living legend. I'll walk along with you. Calm your body first. Many a times जब भी अलग लोगों का अलग अलग तरीका होता है. कई लोग चुप हो जाते हैं, कई लोग ज़्यादा खाना खाने लगते हैं, कई लोग खाना ज़्यादा बनाने लगते हैं, कई लोग ज़्यादा काम करने लगते हैं, अपने आप को थका देते हैं. सो इफ़ यू ईट, आप खाइए, आप सोते हैं तो सो जाइए. इफ़ यू वॉक, कीप वॉकिंग, बट टाइम नोट करिए. ड्रिंक अ लॉट ऑफ वाटर, हाइड्रेट योर सेल्फ, गो टेक अ हॉट शावर बाथ. चेंज योर सेल्फ टॉक. अपने आप को ना सेल्फ पिटी के मोड पे मत डालिएगा. मेरे साथ ऐसे क्यों हुआ, वाई मी? नो, दिस इज लाइफ. Incidents do happen and I need to face it. Always remember, fill your day with small wins. आप जो काम करते हैं ना, जैसे like आप सुबह जल्दी उठते हैं, अपना रूम क्लीन करते हैं, these are all small wins. Always remember that you are not broken, you are healing. you are, एक जो लाइफ है ना वो उस फेज में ऐसा लगता है जैसे रुक गई है. But you have to keep telling yourself that no, I will face it and I'll overcome this pain. I will learn to walk with this pain.